It is Thursday, and yesterday, you guys, Amy took the truck in to get the decal put on that door, and it's back. It looks good. Looks good. Looks good. It looks like it was never taken off. Man, look at that thing. These are hydrangeas, guys. Had them for about 4 or 5 years, and they do look nice. It rained last night, you guys. It is wet today, but we're gonna still go and get some work done. Today we're gonna lay down pavers, install the pavers there. And man, it is muddy. And I eventually want to clean up all that mess there. Same there. It's yesterday I did go pick up our blocks. Yeah, cloudy, wet. Guys, it is, what is this? August 5th, and it's lately this week the morning has been cool, which is good. It feels like fall weather in the morning. I like, not too hot, you know. It's maybe next week it might go back up. It might be hot again, but this week been very cool, which I don't mind. So that's how the temp has been here, you guys, and everything is going good. Let's get the day started, shall we?
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright.
Alright guys, so just got done packing the sand and sweeping the rest of the sand in, and now I'm gonna water it and lock it in. Should be good, guys.